Beware he who would deny you access to information, for in his heart he dreams himself your master. Every time an internet censorship bill like SOPA or ACTA is shot down by protest, another takes its place. Many feel disillusioned by this process and are pursuing alternative means of defending internet freedom through technology itself. This is the meshnet, originally called the darknet, an alternative to the internet with no centralized authority, making it impossible to censor or shut down. An unfiltered, uninhibited flow of information and ideas, all held in the hands of those who use it. Imagine a room full of people. They are all standing and cannot move. However, they can use their hands to pass notes to one another. If a person at one end of the room wants to get a message to someone at the opposite end, they will pass it to the person closest to them, who will then pass it to the person next to them, and so on until it reaches its intended recipient. If one person along the way refuses to pass the note, then the note will bypass them and be passed to someone else, and still reach its destination. This is how a meshnet works. Multiple computers are all connected to each other via a wireless connection spanning a large area, and all information, documents, messages, images, music, anything at all, is passed from computer to computer until it reaches its destination. If a computer, or node, is down, then an alternative route is found. All of this is done automatically by the computer itself, allowing the user to browse the meshnet as they would the regular internet. Likewise, all information sent and received is secure, meaning only the intended recipient is capable of receiving it. This means the architecture of the meshnet is owned by countless individuals instead of a handful of corporate providers, which makes the oppression of free speech impractical, bordering on impossible. There are multiple resources to be found currently on the internet. The first is Reddit, where the project first came into being. From there you can find many other sources, such as the official website, an online discussion, IRC, and a wiki. The meshnet will take a long time to develop into a perfect working system, and it will take longer still to spread and set up on a large scale. So until that time comes, arm yourself with knowledge and information, and whatever possible, lend a hand. Anyone can help, with or without computer skills. If you can help other people understand and get them interested, you're helping. If you can help people test their homemade mesh network, you're helping. If you can tell those who are writing tutorials and facts how to make their work more accessible to those without computer knowledge, you're helping. Any contribution is welcome. So get out there and help us build a way to freedom.